Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Endahar Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update. Got some exciting news to share with you about a pending sale. We'll talk about that. Just happened a few days ago. We'll talk about the open houses that we had this weekend and a new listing that's coming on the market this week in Milpitas. And then, of course, my wrap-up, I like to talk about the three most important questions that sellers ask me and how I'm able to handle their concerns and when they're considering listing their home. So first of all, 2235 Skyline Drive in Milpitas, that was reduced to $2,598,888 from an original price point of $2,798,888. Within 2 days, we got a really great offer. So the seller took that, and we are in escrow as of now on that property. And then 1051 Crescent Terrace in Milpitas, that's in the Hillcrest area. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, a little over 2,500 square foot, and it's been remodeled. That also started out at a price point of $2,798,888. I reduced that over the weekend to $2,598,888. We had 10 groups through on Saturday and another 9 groups through on Sunday. So that's really an amazing amount of foot traffic for a fourth weekend on that property. And there's been disclosure packages going out to agents on that. In fact, I just had an agent call me now on the way into videotaping today's show. And he's going to go and look at the house today. His buyer came through the open house yesterday and is considering making an offer. So pricing is very important. It's maybe the most important key to the process of getting your home sold. So we should be successful, and I'll report in next week. Hopefully that property will be also in pending status. So also this weekend I had 210 Butler Street in Milpitas open. That's in the Manor area. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, little over 1,400 square foot, refinished hardwood floors, fresh paint in and out. The staging is beautiful on that home, has a semicircular driveway. It's in a really good neighborhood. The price point on that is $1,562,000. So the second weekend brought in another 25 groups in the 2 days. So that's really good. That shows that that's a very strong price point in this market, very affordable, and seems to be where buyers are settling in. So offers are due on Wednesday this week. And again, hopefully I can report in good news on that one for next week. So the other property that will be shown this weekend that I've got coming soon and will be on MLS tomorrow is 1397 Mount Shasta Avenue in Milpitas. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,197 square feet home on a corner lot in the Cortland Estates area. The elementary school is Synod Elementary. Price point on that is $1,198,888, and that'll be open this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and I'm super excited to show that home. We've been working on that for months. The seller put in brand new landscaping in the front, and it really, really looks amazing. So where do I see the market going at this point? I think interest rates, we know the Feds held on Wednesday. They didn't increase the discount rate. So interest rates are holding. They're anticipating they may go up a little bit more toward the end of the year and then possibly fall maybe late next year. So we're looking at a very steady state interest rate. So if you're waiting, if you're a buyer and you're on the fence and you're waiting for interest rates to drop, it's not going to happen anywhere soon. Inventory is still slim, so a seller has a good opportunity to get their home listed and not have a lot of competing homes on the market. So that's a good time to sell. So questions. What might sellers ask me? Here's 3 top questions. What are costs involved when selling my home? The costs involved in selling your home typically include agents' commissions, closing costs that are applicable to Santa Clara County. If you're in Alameda County, you pay a different set of closing costs. In Santa Clara County, the seller pays title and escrow and the transfer tax for the county. In Milpitas, there is no transfer tax. In the city of San Jose, there is. So those costs differ city to city within Santa Clara County. And then there's other fees There may be a home warranty paid, inspection fees, and maybe any repairs or prepping costs that get involved in getting the home ready to sell. I will provide you with a detailed breakdown of these costs and ensure transparency throughout the selling process, so you'll be well informed and well prepared. The second question is creating your dream home, working with our expert team of vendors. And by the way, if you go to my website, debbiegiordano.com, there's a tab that says Master Brokers Team Video. You can click on that and see the team that I do work with. But as your agent, I understand that the selling your home is more than just about a transaction. It's about presenting your property as a dream home for potential buyers. That's why I have a team of expert vendors, including contractors, painters, landscapers, and more, who work together to transform your property into irresistible showpieces. With their expert knowledge and expertise, my vendors ensure your home stands out in a competitive market, appealing to a wide range of buyers and maximizing its value. I think that's, after 45 years in the business, that's probably one of my strongest traits that I bring to the table for my sellers. And lastly, maximizing home value, tip from my renovation specialist. As part of my commitment to helping you achieve the highest possible value for your home, I have partnered with renovation specialists who provide valuable tips on strategic home improvements. A lot of times I will bring in my stager, and before she does the final product, we walk through the home, talk to the seller, and see what other improvements need to be done to bring the home up to a very strategic marketing position and look that's going to maximize your value. Whether it's upgrading your kitchen, refreshing bathrooms, enhancing curb appeal, my renovation specialist will guide you through cost-effective and impactful improvements that can significantly boost your home's value before listing it for sale. So there is a process we go through, whether it be short or long. I work with sellers that they have different timelines. So give me a call. I'd like to put my vendors into work for you. My number's 408-945-8988 or giordanodj@aol.com. I look forward to seeing you next week. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.